Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your print job sample and how to set the range for your printing. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into FabriCAM here. We're going to be carrying on now with the actual printing of the sample or the job report. So I'm just going to head over to the second icon, which is called print report, then set up the last few things. So now we've already covered the select printer, we've looked at the status, how to see if the status is fine, how to print it to a file, the preferences, and how to find a printer in case it's not on your list. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at this option here called page range. So this will pretty much be the pages you want to be printing, and as you can see we've got a few different options here. So the first option is all. In default, or by default, you'll probably leave this just on all, and this will print every single page. But let's say you reprinting, you only need a certain page because there was a change, or you a client only needs perhaps this front page, then we have different options. So we've got this one current page, so this is the page we are on. So if we had to change to another page and say current page, we'll only print that page. And then the last option we have here is pages. So from this one we can select which pages we want to print. Now this works similar also to current page, where if you wanted to, you could go just, let's say we want page 2 and just print page 2. Or you can go from a range, let's say if we had to go from 2 and we go the little minus and then we say 3, then it's only going to print the last 2 pages, so we'll leave the first page out. But if you want to have all the pages, then you can always go 1, so we'll start at page 1 minus and then to the last page that we have, which we only have 3 pages. So that is a great way to go about it. They also have this little what do you call it, tooltip here at the bottom, so you can also read that. It's pretty much what I just explained. But the nice thing about this is you can kind of cut out little sections of where you want to print. So let's say in a case where you're printing a lot of files and you only have that much time a day, or time given in a day where you're allowed to do that, then what you can do is you can always set a range here, let's say 1 to 200, and then the one day it'll only print to 200, and the next day you go 201 to, let's say, 400, and you print the rest. So this is also a nice place where you can do that with actual pages. But like I say, in my opinion, I would just leave it on all if it's for these type of files, because they tend to be not too many files, maybe 5. If you're really pushing it, you'll have about 10 pages, but in my case it's just 1 to 3. So then what I'm going to say is then you can just say print, and it's going to print all those pages for you. So now just a quick recap again. So we've got all, which is going to print all your files. We've got current, which is the current page you're on. And then we've got pages, which you can set custom ranges if you desire to. But otherwise, that is it on the page range feature or options we have available under our printing. And before we head to the next feature, if we go here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.